All right, so we're here in the Pro Transfers lab and we got the new texturizing post-press sheet here, something that we're super excited about. For a long time we've been using just kind of the standard Teflon to give it that texturizing quality, superior hand feel, and this is something new we've come across, and we really find it valuable in improving that hand feel and that quality and that durability. So let's put it to work here. So just gonna put a transfer on here real quick. Cool. And then we're gonna put this on top of it. I'm gonna hit it for a quick little post press. That's it. Cool. And we are good to go. It gives it a good little texture, a little bit of different optics, as well as that good haptic. So it's not crunchy, it's not papery, it's nice and really takes into the apparel you're putting it on. We have only about 30 of these right now. They're getting tough to get. So if you want one, be sure to reach out, let us know.